In this video, I'm going to show you how to add cash to your Venmo account. First, open the Venmo app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top where it shows your Venmo balance. If you haven't added any money yet, it might show zero, but don't worry, we'll fix that. Tap on your balance, and you'll see an option called Manage Balance. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll find the Add Money button. This is where you can add funds from your linked bank account. You'll notice a few options for adding money. Venmo usually lets you do instant transfers up to a certain limit per week, and if you want to add larger amounts, it might take a few business days. For this example, we'll use the instant option so you can see how it works right away. Now, you can either choose one of the preset amounts that Venmo suggests or type in a custom amount. For instance, if you want to add $2.50, just enter it manually. Once you've entered the amount, tap Next. Venmo will then show the bank account you have on file to pull the money from. If you want, you can change the bank account by selecting a different one from your list of linked accounts. After confirming the account, tap Add, and the money will be transferred to your Venmo balance. You should see your new balance update immediately if you chose the instant transfer option. Keep in mind, sometimes it may take a few minutes or a couple of days depending on your bank, so always make sure there are enough funds in your account before trying to add money. And that's it! Adding cash to your Venmo account is quick and easy. Once your balance is updated, you can start using it to send money to friends, pay for services, or even make purchases directly from the app.